Hello guys and welcome to our channel. On 6th of August, a report reveals that Huawei HarmonyOS 2 upgrades have now exceeded 50 million downloads. This new data appeared after Huawei Consumer Business Group CEO Yu Changdong announced 40 million HarmonyOS user achievement at Huawei P50 series launch conference on July 29. According to the information, around 8 Huawei smartphone users are installing HarmonyOS 2 on their devices per second in China. The 50 million downloads are surely a big achievement of the HarmonyOS and many more to come. Data reports suggest that Microsoft and Apple still occupy the main positions in the computer operating system market. On the other hand, Android and iOS have the major lead in the global smartphone market. These suggest that the key to building a new operating system is to build an operating system ecosystem. After the official launch of HarmonyOS 2.0, this new OS completed 10 million installation in under 1 week, 18 million upon the completion of 15 days, followed by 40 million active users till July. HarmonyOS for smartphones come with various new features and a brand new user interface. The software's core architecture is designed to work seamlessly with different types of smart devices. At present, HarmonyOS 2.0 rollout is going on in mainland China, including very old devices that have been removed from monthly and quarterly update system. Aside from Chinese consumer, Huawei has also sold millions of devices in the global market. Think about what would happen once this operating system reaches the global variants. Yet, Huawei has not come up with a perfect rollout plan for overseas devices. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, or press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.